welcome to the personal property tour for 11 Crosshills in Auchtermuchty. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom ground floor apartment finished to an incredible high standard, the most amazing outdoor garden space and the desirable location of Auchtermuchty. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this is your property here, number 11. So you have these 3 big windows that let loads of light into your property and then your own private entrance. So we go through the door and straight away you'll see the high finish throughout. I love the flooring that they've used, but finished to a really good standard, ready to move in. So what I'm going to do is walk along and we'll start at the master. Really good sized master, which you'll be able to see for yourself. Again, that window letting in loads of light. You have double fitted wardrobes, so plenty of storage with the addition in the corner as well. And it's a really good size. You can easily get a double or a king bed in this space. So that's your master. And then we go through and you have your bathroom. And straight away you'll see the high finish. Beautiful bathroom. So your enclosed double shower, heated towel rail, wash hand basin and WC. And then we'll come through, window letting in plenty of light, and we go into your second room. Now you can utilise this, as you can see, as a home office, or you could have this as a second bedroom, easily get a king or a double bed in this space. Again, a really light and airy with the window. And then you have the addition again of fitted wardrobes, so plenty of storage. And then we'll go through into your living dining. Great use of space. Big furniture in here as well, and you still have plenty of floor space. The window at the end letting in loads of light, but a great space for family and friends to come over and socialise. And then we go into your kitchen. Again, the high finish follows through into the kitchen. I love the colours that they've used in here. And you have all integrated appliances. So you have integrated fridge freezer, a dishwasher just there in the corner, your hob and then your oven. So just a wonderful kitchen. And that's just a sneak peek at your outdoor garden space. But I really do love this kitchen. So what I'm going to do is meet you in the back garden. So this is your garden. What an incredible sized back garden, just amazing. Really does speak for itself, and it's a lovely day here today as well. You'll be able to hear the birds in the background in a wee second. So you have this patio area here, you barbecue, family and friends socialising again. And just up at the back, there's actually an apple and a pear tree, which is just lovely. But it just shows that you could easily use the top part of that garden to grow your own fruit and vegetables, and you would still have all of this incredible garden space to use. It's just lovely. So peaceful as well. This is such a great advantage having this with your property. So that was a personal property tour for 11 Crosshills in Auchtermuchty. Beautiful 2-bedroom ground floor apartment, really high finish throughout, which you've just seen, and of course this back garden space, which really does speak for itself. It is so peaceful and lovely here. So this property is on the market with us for offers over 130,000. Now you are in the location of Auchtermuchty, which is a really desirable area because you have everything on your doorstep. You have local shops that you can walk to, chemists, you also have the primary school, and you're only a short drive into Cooper, and you have the Belbaxter High School. You also have the train station just in Ladybank, which is a short drive. So you really do have plenty on your doorstep while being able to take advantage of this really peaceful location here. So if this property does appeal to you, please do message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221.